If you're experiencing billing issues with Outlook 2026, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems related to billing. Step 1. Check your payment method. Verify that your payment method is valid and up to date. Log into your Microsoft account, navigate to the billing section, and ensure that your credit card or payment information has not expired. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies. In your Microsoft account, look for recent transactions and check for any charges that seem incorrect or unauthorized. Step 3. Update billing information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update your billing information. Go to the payment options in your Microsoft account and enter the new details, then save the changes. Step 4. Contact Microsoft Support. If issues persist, reach out to Microsoft Support for assistance. Use the support options available on the Microsoft website, such as chat or phone support, to explain your billing problem. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing problems. Regularly check your billing statements and account settings to ensure everything remains correct. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems with Outlook 2026. If you continue to face issues, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.